In this video lesson, we will discuss qualitative versus quantitative observation. What is observation? Observation is a factual statement gathered through the use of 5 senses. So if you want to have a more discussion about this, I have a video. Observation can be qualitative or quantitative. Qualitative observation talks about quality of an object. Quantitative observation talks about the quantity. Observation is very important because it is a fundamental aspect of all scientific research. It supports all scientific research that are done. Scientists learn and develop concepts through observing the environment, animals, things, and how they affect one another. That's why it is important for us to understand and distinguish observations. Now, let's study the difference between qualitative and quantitative observation. Qualitative observation is said to be subjective, while quantitative observation is an objective method of observing. Subjective means that it can be different from one person to the other based on who is observing. Quantitative is an objective method because it is a universal observation that uses a systematic procedure. Qualitative is said to be a characteristics of things, or it characterizes an object, while quantitative quantify things. Remember, qualitative focuses on the quality or the characteristic of an object, while quantitative quantify things. It means that it is driven by the value that can be counted, such as weight, volume, and others. That is quantitative. Qualitative is not accurate and not measurable, while quantitative is accurate and measurable kind of observation. How do people perform qualitative observation? They use their senses such as sight, smell, touch, taste, and hearing. Quantitative, on the other hand, uses standardized equipments, measuring instruments such as ruler, balance, scale, thermometer, and others. That's why quantitative observation will give you an accurate and measurable kind of observation. It will also result to giving you numbers, okay, quantity. While qualitative is subjective because we have different perception of sight, taste, touch, hearing. Let me give you an example of a qualitative observation. The balloon is big. Now, when we convert that, or when we want to have a quantitative observation, the balloon's length is 2.2 meters. Do you see the difference? There's now numbers. Okay, so you quantify things. That's quantitative. Another example, sharks swim very fast. That's qualitative. The quality is very fast. Quantitative, sharks swim at an average speed of 40 meter per second. So 40 meter per second is a quantity, an exact number, measurable and accurate. So that's it. I hope that you learn the difference between qualitative and quantitative observation. If you have any question, you can comment on the box below. And I hope that you learned something.